It is her birthday.
Oh yeah, huh?
Pull your thing out.
Happy birthday, Anna. These are from Grammy and Grandpa.
What's in here? Look. What is that? Whoa. What is it?
Oh.
Fishy.
Wait, your turn, Katie. Wait a second.
Here, pull these ones out.
Oh,
But you can
hand
have
back.
that, Katie. Go ahead.
She says, I don't care. I want the paper.
Whoa, animal crackers. And what else?
Oh, what did you get, Katie? Can I eat those?
No, they're mine.
Are you sure?
You should save these cute little bags, huh? Aren't those cute? Alright. Now here's Anna's big present.
I want to do mine.
Anna, what is that? Ooh, what is that?
Yay! Anna doesn't care, but we do. Oh, maybe that's them.
Hello? Hey, we're opening your presents right now. We're going to try to FaceTime.
Hello. Anna says hello to the animal crackers. What is that?
Oh, okay, well, Emily's taking a video of it, so we'll send it to you when we're done.
She wants it out of the box. Oh my goodness, Katie! What is that? Oh, is that Grandpa? Grandpa!
You say,
Grandpa!
are you saying Grandpa? Hold on.
Grandpa!
Say hi, Anna.
Hi, Anna. Happy birthday.
Grandpa.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
She's pointing at the phone, smiling. Is that Grandpa?
Katie's already going.
All right.
Get some presents today and all kinds of fun stuff. You can have a happy
Is that Grandpa? She's so excited.
What did you get, Katie?
Okay, we'll talk to you later, Dad. I love you.
Let me see. Oh, do you know what those are for?
Oh, you're
They're
okay.
perfect little blankets for your baby dolls. Oh, Grammy, good job. Look, they're perfect little ones for your baby dolls. They're comfortable. Oh, and this one's a little bit bigger. Look at this one, Katie.
Hold on, sweets.
What does that have on it? Grandpa. And it says Grandpa.
Grandpa. Grandpa. Grandpa.
And I say Grandpa.
How do you make it work?
I don't know. Read the directions. You want to eat your fishy crackers, Anna? Hello. Say hello. Oh, pillows too?
Yeah.
Oh
These
my.
are my baby.
Oh, do you like those, Katie?
Yeah. There's two. There's one for my open something else.
Look at all these things. Why don't you go get some babies and put them to bed in the box? Hurry, go get
I'm
some
sorry,
babies.
baby. I can't get it to work.
Just let her play with it.
Well,
Is there any batteries?
they had a little battery protector in there that pulled out.
Uh-oh.
She started taking a bite out of her bag. Look, sis.
I want to open my fish. I want some fishies.
You can have them in just a minute.
I want to put them in the hands.
Is that what you want?
Yeah.
You see Sissy getting some of those? You want some? Anna, you have your own. Here, Anna. Oh, bonk. Here, she'll have her animal crackers. How about that? Nom 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 nom.
Okay, this goes over here.
Nom 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 nom. Anna, happy birthday! Happy birthday, Anna!